Now we want to draw, so always we'll be preferring our top view. So in a top view you can see x and y axis. Now we will go with the draw tool. This is a line, just draw your line, but I don't know what measurement I'm using it. So come out of the command escape, use a dimension over here and check what is the dimension you have drawn. Fine. Next I want to draw another line. So this is your triangle, freehand. So click on your mouse and drag your pencil. This is your freehand tool. The instruction for your particular tool will be given in the instruction, that is a default tray. This is my rectangle, just draw, but I don't know measurement. So to know the measurement I'll be giving as 30,30. So directly your measurements has been done. If you want to confirm, you can check with the dimension tool. This is my select tool. Next we are going to select with the circle, radius 6. So if you want to know the measurement with your measurement, so protector just helps you to set your angle. So if I want to know the 30-degree angle, so you can just set it over here. Okay, how much degree you want. So next tool we will be learning with the rotate rectangle. Rotate rectangle, just start, end and rotate with the angle, but you are not able to see how it has been rotated. For that we'll go with the ISO view, start, end, and you can check over here it has been rotated with the angle. Angle measurement will be shown over here. Okay, how much length you have been taken. So in this manner I'll be using your rotate rectangle. Again start, end and cover up. Again start, end and cover up. So solid hut you can make over here, that is cone. Next we'll be learning with a polygon. So here you can see it is how much sided, it is a 6-sided. Now if I want 5-sided, so just select, drag and give 5, enter. So here you can see it is only given in this manner. So you have to hold with the control negative, okay, to give it the polygon, control positive plus sign for hexagon. You can't directly go and say I need with the 5 numbers, it won't give, it will go with the radius or diameter. Okay, you should always use a control negative or positive to increase or decrease the sides. This is your rhombus now. Okay, this is all about your polygon tool. Then arc, that is 2-pointed arc, first point, second point. So this is nothing but 2-pointed arc you are going to draw. So the same way you can utilize over here. Okay, this is nothing but 2-pointed arc. So after 2 point, the third is my center point. So this is your another arc. This is nothing but a 3-pointed arc, first, second and third point. It will come in a pie shape. Next is your pie. Select end, but it comes in a solid form. So these are the things you will be learning in your draw tools. Okay friends, this is all about your draw tool. Now if you want to move this works, okay, so select everything and you have a move tool, I can move it. If you want to delete it, so what is your selection tool over here? This is your selection, which object you want, delete it. But you can see which part is selected, that is top part is selected, it will be deleted. If the line is selected, that particular part only will be deleted. So if you want to come out of the command, escape. To rotate all round, click on your scroll button and rotate all round. So it will be rotated. This is called a orbit. So this is all about your draw tools in today's session. Thank you. If you like my channel, please do subscribe and like my channel.